In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock secure folder on Samsung. So if you created the secure folder to secure your Samsung phone, important apps and documents, then you need to add a unique PIN to the secure folder so that each time you want to access the secure folder on your Samsung phone, you'll be prompted to type in the PIN, and this can foster the security level of the secure folder and make it inaccessible for unauthorized users. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to add lock or password or fingerprint to your secure folder on Samsung is go to Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on security and privacy or biometrics and privacy. This depends on your types of Samsung device. Then once you open this, just scroll down and click on more security settings. Then under more security settings, click on secure folder. Then go ahead and unlock your secure folder either using PIN or fingerprint. Now under lock and security, select lock type. Then type in your current PIN if you have added the PIN, otherwise you'll be prompted to create a new PIN. Then under secure folder lock type, come to here, select PIN or password or pattern and make sure you disabled or enable fingerprint. Now you want to disable fingerprint in case you have multiple fingerprints added to your Samsung phone, then disable fingerprint so that you'll be able to use only PIN, password and pattern to access your secure folder on your Samsung phone. So if you want to use PIN, just click on this and then go ahead and type the PIN to lock your secure folder. Repeat the PIN and click on OK. Once that is set, you see the lock type set to PIN, and if your lock type is not set to PIN, you can choose password. Then go ahead and type in your password or select pattern. Once you selected pattern, you'll be prompted to draw the pattern to lock your secure folder on your Samsung device. Then you can then use this to lock your Samsung secure folder. So this is how to add lock to Samsung secure folder. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.